And on the other side of the country in L.A., we have the latest on the bombshell ruling in the Menendez brothers case.
Instead of serving life without the possibility of parole, the Menendez brothers are now eligible for parole after serving 50 years.
I don't remember the shot. I remember the picture.
Trial attorney Misty Marris tells Access that the passionate apologies the brothers made yesterday, owning up to the cold-blooded 1989 murders of their parents, were a key factor in the judge's decision.
Yesterday, they spoke in court, and they said, there is no excuse for what we did. We killed our parents. There's no excuse for it.
Erik and Lyle, who claimed they killed their mom and dad after a lifetime of abuse, appeared virtually from their San Diego prison and gripped the courtroom with chilling statements. Lyle spoke first, saying, "I made the choice to kill my mom and dad in their own home." During Erik's statement, he admitted he committed an atrocious act and also gave these haunting details. "I fired all 5 rounds at my parents and went back to reload. I lied to police. I lied to my family. I'm truly sorry."
I believe that the Menendez brothers have started down the path of fully accepting responsibility for all their actions, but they stopped short.
L.A. County District Attorney Nathan Hogman speaking this morning, still staunchly standing by his belief that the brothers have not held themselves fully accountable for the murders.
Since they never said that the self-defense defense, the trial, they've said for the last 30 years that it's absolutely false. They have said that the reason that they killed their parents the night of August 20th, 1989 was not because of sexual abuse or any other reason, but because they believed their parents were going to murder them that night.
They certainly couldn't say they've been liars for 30 years. It would really impact their other legal avenues to freedom.
And while Misty points out yesterday's ruling was positive, it does not ensure their freedom by any means.
In fact, the judge rejected the defense argument to downgrade their murder 1 conviction to manslaughter. Now, that would have meant immediate release.
After their hearing, the brothers' cousin, Ana Maria Baralt, said going through the next step, the parole process, will be very difficult for the family.
We were certainly hoping for manslaughter, time served, so that we wouldn't have to go through this process, but we will eagerly step through those doors if that means getting them home.
While their fate now lies in the hands of the parole board and California Governor Gavin Newsom, who can release them immediately, the brothers also have to contend with the fact they were recently deemed a moderate risk to the general public if they're released.
The parole board identified issues such as illegal cell phones, drug use, and also helping other prisoners commit tax fraud.
The parole board is set to hold a hearing on June 13th, so we'll see.
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting summer for sure. For sure.